In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Windows password reset disk on your Windows computer. So basically, this is going to be a process of creating a floppy disk, USB flash drive, or more preferably probably a disk that can be used to gain access to your Windows computer if you have forgotten your computer password. So by being proactive and creating a password reset disk right now will allow you to have a means of getting back into your computer in the event that you forgot your password at some point in time. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. Please know you cannot create the password disk for a different user. You can only create it for your computer and before you forgot your password. So again, it's pretty important. I feel like some people are not going to heed that message, but I'm going to put that in this video right now just so you guys are aware. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. You want to type in control panel. One of the best matches should say control panel right above desktop app. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now you want to left click on user account section. You want to make sure view by is set to category view up here, and then left click on user accounts. Now you want to left click on the user account link again right here. On the left side, you want to left click on create a password reset disk. So at this point you'd have to enter in a USB flash drive. So I don't have enough USB ports on my computer to continue on with this video, but I'm just going to verbally explain to you guys what to look for at this point. So once you enter in your USB flash disk, you want to wait until the forgotten password wizard window appears. Then you want to left click on next. Then there's going to be a screen that comes up that says I want to create a password disk for the following drive. You want to select the drop down box and choose the portable media drive to create a Windows password reset disk for. Then you want to select next once you have that selected. At that point you want to enter in your current account password and select next again. And then once you're done, just follow along with the rest of the on-screen instructions, and basically at this point you'll have a disk or drive ready to go, and this will be a Windows disk. So you can label this whatever you want, just make sure you keep it in a safe place so if you ever forgot your password you can restore back to it. Keep in mind if you change your password after making this disk, you will be able to restore your computer back regardless of how many times you change your computer password after that point. So pretty straightforward, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.